Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. If making money online is your desire and your intention, here on my channel, I come up with programs and products that will help you do exactly that. And today I have another amazing one called Aprelo, and Aprelo is going live today, the 27th of June 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this product is being launched by my friend Anjani Kumar and his partner Shabir Khan. And this one, in a nutshell, is a software that is going to help you convert texts into voiceovers, and of course help you draft out of this world copyright contents for your marketing. And this is exactly what makes money for you, because it attracts through video, voiceovers, and of course through copywriting contents that will sell anybody. And this is exactly what this product does. And if this is one that you will require, I believe you should use the link below in my description area. That first link will bring you automatically into context with my bonus page. Okay, exactly. Now we are currently on their very members area, the software itself. But now when you click that link below in my description area, it will take you definitely to my bonus page, which is exactly this. And you can grab a copy of this using this link, and of course any of the yellow links scattered all over this bonus page. When you do, it will take you of course to the sales page, where you can use any of the other buttons. They are yellow of course too, and be able to get a copy for yourself. It's just for $17, which is the price of the front end. And of course, if you like, you can buy all the other upsells, which includes of course the limited version of this one. Now with that said, let us go through this one. And if you are new to my channel, this is the time I encourage you to like, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And of course you will be the first to get notified whenever I upload anything content on my channel. Okay, with that said, let us actually swing into action on this. Like I told you, if you stick with me, we will go through the sales page, which is here, go through the members area, the software itself, and of course show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for this one. Now this is what this product does. Anjani Kumar said, imagine getting $49 over and over with this new artificially intelligent web app using its unique text and voiceover technology. This AI translates text and generates voiceovers using any computer or any phone in any single click, and of course on any niche. No matter your niche, this is going to create the content that you need to actually begin to make the sales that you require to make money online. So that's basically what this product does. And of course, at your convenience, when you're here, you'll be able to read more on this one. But without wasting much time, if you stick with me, I will show you of course my bonuses, like I lined up out of this world bonuses that I have lined up for you. And now let us go into the pricing for this one. The front end price goes for $17, and this AI Aprelo product software gives you solution to create and convert your marketing stuff. Okay, OTO number one, which is the pro version of this one, will go for $37, and this one will unlock the power of Aprelo with the pro version. What means it's advisable to get this one as well when you get this AI based, cloud based, of course, single click software that helps you turn your texts into voiceovers, and it will help you in your video marketing, which is very attractive to your audience and to anyone who wants what you're selling. Now that's basically what you have for front end 17. OTO number one pro version goes for $37, and OTO number two goes for $67, and this is the done for you version, which means everything is set up for you. You don't need to lift a finger. OTO number three will be Aprelo Publisher. This very one goes for $47, and it will help you publish your generated content for you and your customers with Aprelo Publisher version. And OTO number four goes for $97, which is the agency, which means you can resell this product and hire it out at your own price. Okay, and OTO number five will be $147, and this is the reseller rights, which gives you the exclusive right to sell these products as if it's your own, and keep commission 100% on the entire funnel. That's basically what this one is all about. And here are the amazing benefits you stand with this one. Once Aprelo is activated, getting paid $49 over and over becomes easier. Plus, software generates natural sounding voiceovers with any text. Set it up once and continue profiting 24/7. And at your convenience, you'll be able to read the rest of the capabilities you have with Aprelo. But for now, let me show you the amazing bonuses that are lined up for this one. Now, my first bonus will be how to rank any site on #1 page of Google. A crazy hack that you need to know how to rank your listing. I used it and it's working for me. I have, after so many videos, reviews and all that, now I rank between #1 and #5 almost all my reviews. So basically, this is the hack that I used to actually get to know how to do so. Now you can always replicate that using this free bonus from me. Now my bonus #2 will be 3 monetization strategies, which means you know how to monetize your content, your YouTube channel, or any of your websites, or anything you want to do online that needs monetization. These very 3 monetization strategies will teach you how to do so. Now, bonus #3 will be access the product vault, which means you have 17 crazy products to gain with this one. And of course, you have how to create free professional website for your clients, which you can sell on Fiverr as a handwork. Okay. And now my bonus #5 is the ultimate. It has 1,000 tools and it's called the Commission Toolbox. 1,000 tools and links that will teach you one thing or the other as long as marketing is concerned, and traffic, everything is loaded here. So now we are talking about 1,022 bonuses that I have for you. I don't think you'll get that anywhere else. So so this is why I am called Mbadiwe Marketing Solutions. Okay, so now that's basically to amuse you actually. Now, like I told you, if you click any of these links, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, no, to the sales page, where you use any of the links there, like this very one. When you click that, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you eventually buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks exactly like that. Let us actually look for something to do that. Let's go to Warrior Plus account of mine and see if we can get to show you how you can access your information. Okay, now this is my Warrior Plus account. If you go to your purchase history, which is here, if you click this, it will take you to the purchase history. These are some of the very products that I have bought. So if you click any of this, it will definitely take you to a page that looks like this, where you pick your purchase. And on my bonus page, you have it as this very one, which shows you exactly how to pick your purchase. And of course, this is the blue one. Under it gives you access to the amazing 1,022 bonus and products that I have given you as my bonuses, which you cannot get anywhere else. So that's basically what this one is all about. And of course, at your convenience, you'll be able to go through in more details. Now, let us see the dashboard area. This is where the action happens, where you create the very scripts, turn scripts into text scripts into voiceovers, and of course be able to edit your marketing videos with these voiceovers to be able to become attractive and get people to click your wonderful presentation. Okay, so that's basically what you have here. Here you have the script, and you have the voice box where you choose all the voices that you want, the woman's voice, a man's voice, and here you have all the sounds that you need. If you click any of them, you have this, the voice box, new voice, my voice, and of course here you have the scripts, new script, my script, the ones you already built, and page builder, agency, done for you. And these are all the upgrades, the upsells and the OTOs that I've already shown you. And here are some of the recent niches that you can take care of. Weight loss, download, any of them you want to do. Now, recent voices, text, weight loss, anything you have to structure will be here according to your numbering and your naming, and you'll be able to go through these very training tutorials. And of course, this will teach you how to set this very one up. Okay, for time sake, I'm going to upload the demo video for this one right after this very members area presentation, so that you see exactly how this product works in action. And with that said, let us exactly see now the sales page and scroll through at your convenience. You'll be able to do so yourself and see and read what you have here, but I can assure you that this is one that may worth your trial and see if this is going to work for you. But I know that the intention here behind this one is for you to be able to begin to use your voiceovers, create videos for yourself, and use speech and turn those texts that you write for your speech into voiceovers that sound natural. There are many products like this, of course, in the market, but this one is from Anjani Kumar, and of course I have very good reasons to believe that he's going to do exactly what he says he's going to do, because basically this is his specialty. Okay, now that's basically what you have. Let's see if we can locate the amazing bonuses from the vendor, which you will also have access to if you buy this product using the link on my description area, and that means using my link to buy this amazing software. Okay, I think you'll find that, of course, in the dashboard area, which is exactly where you find this one. Like, these are the bonuses from the vendor. Okay, but that means you will be able to buy this one and have access to this very product using the link on my description area. Okay, now with that said, we will gradually come to the end of this very review. If you are new to my channel, this is the time you like. Subscribe to my channel if you are impressed with this, and of course use the bell button for notifications, and I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from Spain, and from here, from me, is goodbye, guys.